This avocado egg salad is so healthy with no mayonnaise. Let me show you how I make this avocado egg salad. These are our ingredients. Let's dive into it. So I'll be using cucumber for this salad. So just dice the cucumber the way you feel like to your desire, any shape. But I prefer this method. And this avocado egg salad is very fast. You can take it for breakfast. And if you are trying to lose weight, this is a perfect salad for you. You do not need to add mayonnaise into it. So watch this video to the end to know how I prepared this delicious, healthy avocado egg salad. After dicing my cucumber, I'm going to step it aside. So I'll be using ripe avocado. I like very ripe avocado for my salad. Anytime I'm making salad, I like very ripe avocado. So I'm going to cut my avocado. You can decide to dice your avocado to any shape, but this is the perfect method I love making my avocado with salad. So I'm going to remove the seeds. You do not need it. So I'm going to cut my avocado into quarters. Then I'm just going to slice it freely. You can decide to peel the back before you dice your avocado, but I prefer using this method so it will not be too messy while dicing my avocado. After slice, I'm going to step this aside. I'm using one hard egg, which is boiled egg. So I'm going to cut this as well. So I'm going to cut it into half thin. That is it. No, I don't want it to be too small. I want is that it will be so it will also surface on my salad. And actually I'm making just a portion of salad, like one person salad. So I'm not making too much salad. I'm just making it for myself for breakfast. So I'll just cut it into freely cut, not too chopped by, but easy for our salad. So I'm going to go ahead and add all my ingredients into a large bowl. So I'll start with my cucumber, then I'll go ahead and add my avocado. Oh, I didn't remember to peel this. Let me peel my avocado, then I'll add it into the bowl as well. Please, if you've not liked this video, remember to give us a like and do not forget to share this video. Let me know where you are watching this video from. Give us a comment. We want to see your feedback in the comment section. So I'm going to go ahead and add my avocado. I'll give it a quick mix so my avocado and my cucumber will be fully cooperated. Then I'll go ahead and add my egg as well. Gently combine your egg with your other ingredients. You do not have to over mix this. And I'm going to go ahead and add black pepper and lime spice. You can add any herbs you like into your salad. I like adding this. It gives it a unique taste and it makes it taste amazing. This is a very delicious salad that you are going to enjoy, especially if you are trying to lose weight. So I'm going to serve this. This is a one person salad. You can eat this for lunch, dinner, breakfast. You can eat it even as a side dish for your dinner or for your meal. It's very delicious and it's a very healthy avocado egg salad. Please let me know what you think about this recipe. Please do not forget to share, give us a like, and please leave down a comment in the comment section. I want to know what you think about this recipe. If you really enjoyed this recipe, please do not forget to subscribe, like, and share. Hope to see you again.